Nick Mann, the founder of Obvious and Hindsight Designs, and this is a video on a very windy day to talk about the wind-resistant properties of the MultiBoard. The MultiBoard is primarily designed for field work, and as such, designed to be usable in the wind, since sometimes you get very windy days. Now, this is the half size. Nice little compact notebook. Has your map here on one side, has your notebook here on the other. Pencil, dry erase marker, pen, sample baggies in there. This could be a little acid bottle if you want it to be. Your map is of course held in by an emergency protractor. You hold a straight edge or this paracord from here or here. You get your angles all around the outside. And you'll notice, despite the fact that it's a very windy day, your map, just stays in place. It's great. All four corners are covered. And there's also your notebook, which, people want to write things down in their notebooks. So your notebook is held in securely with two non-slip elastic straps, which, attach through the back. And you open up your notebook, one corner is held down. You can do the other corner held down if you want to, just like that. Flip the page fairly easily. Corner held down, stays in place. Swap it around if you need to. And there you go. And this side, with a hard back, you can write on this side as well. That doesn't work great with soft back. With soft back, you're better off putting a clipboard clip on here. It works great. You hold your place in your book by leaving the elastic through there, wrap it around the front. And then of course there's the full size. Full size is very similar in functionality, except of course it's full size. Map stays in place. You can write on it. Your notebook also stays in place. Open it up. You have your strap around the corner there. There we go. You can use it, like this, or wrap it around like this. And of course, if you want to write in the corner up there, just do that. Now we have this little non-slip elastic button, the non-slip button on the elastic. This is a super grippy silicone piece here, a couple pieces, other pieces. That just holds it all in place. So that's the MultiBoard, full size and half size from Obvious and Hindsight Designs. Very windy day.